for stopping by. My name is Sandy, and today I'm in my entryway and I'm going to be decorating it for the winter season. I'm going to be using lanterns or incorporating lanterns into the space as a part of a collaboration that's hosted by Kenya over at Kenya's Decor Corner. Hi, Kenya. Thanks so much for hosting this challenge. Once you watch my video today, I do ask that you stop over at Kenya's channel and watch her video as well as the playlist so that you can see all of the other creators and how they are incorporating lanterns into their spaces for the winter season. So let me go ahead and get started. I hope you enjoy. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I would love it if you would become a part of my YouTube family. Please don't forget to stop by Kenya's channel and the playlist. You will get all of your decor inspiration needs decorating with lanterns. Have a good day, and I hope to see you over here on my next one. Bye.